In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a list in Todoist. Whether you're collaborating on work projects, planning a trip with friends, or just sharing a grocery list with family, this guide will make it easy for you to share lists with others using Todoist. First, head over to your preferred web browser and type in Todoist to find the official website. Once the search results come up, click on the Todoist site. If you already have an account, you can click on the login option, which you'll usually find at the top right corner of the home page. If you prefer a more streamlined login process, Todoist offers different options, including using Google. For today's walkthrough, I'll demonstrate how to log in using Google, which is a popular method for many users. After selecting Google as your login option, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This ensures a smoother integration with other Google services and, ultimately, a seamless user experience. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Todoist homepage. Next, locate the Projects drop-down on the left side of your screen. This area houses all your lists and projects, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with it. For this example, I'll select a list titled Sample Project. Upon clicking, you'll find yourself inside the sample project, ready to make some collaboration magic happen. Now, to share this particular list, look for the Share button within the project interface. It's typically easy to spot and highly intuitive. Once you click on Share, you'll see a field where you can type in the name or email address of the person you wish to collaborate with. After entering their details, simply hit the Invite button. This sends an invitation to them, granting access to the list. Alternatively, if you prefer a more traditional email sharing method, Todoist provides that option too. Click Share once again and then select Copy Link. With this link, you can easily share the project through any platform you prefer. To demonstrate, I'll show how to share it via Gmail. Open your Gmail account and click on Compose to start a new email. Enter the recipient's email address. This is whom you want to share the Todoist list with. In the body of the email, right-click and select Paste. This will insert the copied Todoist link directly into your email, making it easy for the recipient to access straight from their inbox. Finally, click on Send, and your list is on its way to being shared, and that's it. Your Todoist list is now shared with those you want to collaborate with. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage and share your tasks with others, making project coordination a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Todoist.